Good morning. I'm Jennifer Sullivan. I'm going to be your EPIC school teacher this year. A little bit about myself. I've taught for 20 years in a traditional school, taught first, fourth, and fifth grades, and I'm really excited to utilize my education to teach middle school and high school as well. I'm looking forward to working with you and setting some goals and achieving those goals this year. Let's start by reviewing your ACT scores. If you look at the top here, you see that your composite score is 21. That's pretty good. If you see the purple lines, those are the ACT College Readiness benchmarks, meaning if you're at or above these marks, you have the best chance to be successful in college. Your actual scores are the green and the blue marks. As you see in English, reading, and writing, you are pretty good. Those are your areas of strength, so we're just going to practice those skills and continue to keep them at the readiness level. We're going to look at math and science for the areas that you need to grow. So let's break down those standards in math and science. The areas over here where you see purple check marks, those are the areas that you are meeting the readiness standards. And the areas that are below, a little bit in the purple boxed areas, are algebra, geometry, statistics and probability, integrating essential skills, and modeling. And in science, we're going to look at interpreting data, the evaluation of models, and making inferences, and looking at experimental results. We're going to start with statistics and probability. First, I would want you to be able to compute straightforward probabilities for common situations. We're going to engage in a conversation about what probability is and how we use it in the real world. We're going to explore different situations in probability and look at some problems together where I would model my thinking in working through these problems and show you some strategies to help you work through the problems. Then I would help you and guide you through some practice problems together where we can talk about it and work through those strategies, and hopefully reaching the point where you would be able to elaborate on your own thinking, and I can gauge then the areas that we might need to reteach, or hope that you would be ready to take an evaluation of mastery. I would probably give you a evaluation of either a paper kind or possibly a Google document or another use of technology in order to demonstrate your ability in those areas. I really look forward to working with you, and thank you so much for the opportunity.